Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an in-depth review of the Skytech King 95 gaming PC desktop, a high-end gaming rig built for serious gamers, streamers, and content creators. But before we jump in, make sure to check the link below to grab this today at the best discounted price, so you don't miss out on this beast of a machine. Let's start with the heart of this system, performance. The Skytech King 95 is powered by the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, which can reach a turbo speed of 5.3 GHz. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 5070T 16GB graphics card, this PC delivers ultra-smooth gameplay at high FPS, stunning ray-traced visuals, and incredible performance for AAA titles, esports games, and VR experiences. Whether you're streaming, editing videos, or creating 3D content, this rig handles it all with ease. Memory and storage are next level. With 32GB DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz, multitasking is seamless. You can have multiple games, apps, and browser tabs open without any slowdowns. The 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and instant game loading, giving you plenty of space for your library of games, media, and work projects. Now let's talk about cooling and power, which are crucial for a high-performance gaming PC. The Skytech King 95 comes with a 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid cooler, keeping your CPU temperatures low even during intense gaming sessions. The 850 watts Gold-rated PSU provides reliable, efficient power, making it future-proof for upgrades and overclocking. Connectivity and versatility are also top-notch. The system supports Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, making it easy to set up multiple monitors or connect to your favorite peripherals. The ARGB lighting is fully customizable, adding a striking visual flair that can match any gaming setup. Design-wise, the Skytech King 95 combines functionality with aesthetics. The case is optimized for excellent airflow, ensuring components stay cool and quiet during long gaming sessions. The build quality is solid, and the RGB lighting gives your setup that professional, immersive look. In short, the Skytech King 95 gaming PC desktop is an absolute powerhouse. It's perfect for gamers, streamers, and content creators who want top-tier performance, reliability, and style all in one package. From high-end gaming and VR to heavy multitasking and content creation, this rig delivers everything you need and more. So don't forget, click the link in the description to grab this at the best price and exclusive deals today. Upgrade your gaming and creative experience with the Skytech King 95 and take your setup to the next level.